tutorial video, guys, I will teach you on how to create a program that will ask a user to give a character. In our program, we'll check whether the given character by our user is an alphabet or not. Before we start, if you like this video and if you are new with my channel, please click the like button. Don't forget to share and click the notification bell. Select all so that you will be notified by my newly uploaded video, and please support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started. So I am using Eclipse as my IDE. So it is free to download from the internet. Okay, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we have here a comment. So in this line, we have here import Java util scanner for input output, and then the name of our class is alphabet underscore checker. So we have here the left curly bracket, public static void main, a method stub in Java that is the starting and ending point of our program execution, scanner scan. Create an object named scan encapsulation that will be used later on in our input in our program. So we have here the title of our program, alphabet checker in Java. So we have here asking the user to give an alphabet that will be stored in our character underscore given scan next char at 0. So here we have here a very simple if-else statement. If character is alphabet, it is a function in Java to check whether the given character is alphabet or not. So the given char given is an alphabet if it is true, else if it is false, it is not an alphabet. End of program that informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we have here curly brackets. So it has run the program so that we can see the result. Okay. So give an alphabet. Let's say we have here Y. So the given Y is an alphabet in a program. Let's say we have here ampersand. The given ampersand symbol is not an alphabet. Let us run again. Let's say we have R. The given R is an alphabet. And then lastly, we have 8. Number 8. The given 8 is not an alphabet. So this is the end of our tutorial video, guys. I hope that you have learned something new on how to create an alphabet checker in Java. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete and free program listing in my websites. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have some question, and then if you are new with my channel, please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.